Hi guys, this is Soft Member here and welcome to the product Alpha. So this is the dashboard or members area of Alpha, and inside this video I will be showing you the product totally from inside, each and every options. Before getting into the product, let me clear you that I will be giving you 7 crazy bonuses you will be given from this page, and if you just click on the video description link, then if you use this button, and there's 2 more buttons inside this page, if you use these buttons to purchase the product and just purchase the product, you will be given some good bonuses. So before getting into the product, let me give you a very big thank you that you are giving your precious time to watch my Alpha review. So Alpha is a brand new tool, like a whole brand new tool. I am seeing this kind of tool just for first time. I never have seen this kind of tool. So this tool will enable you the power of WhatsApp marketing. This is genuine. Okay, so you can do so many steps inside this tool, but mainly you can do some creating stuffs, like the post creating stuffs, some kind of post, animated posts, and also video posts and images, and you can do the WhatsApp marketing. The whole WhatsApp marketing can be done inside it, and the WhatsApp marketing has more than 98% of open rates, and once the open rates is growing, your open rate is growing, then by default your directly proportional the sales rate. Obviously open rate is directly proportional to your sales rate, the sale will be more. Okay, so this is the dashboard, and after that there are 2 options: search deals and creator. So inside search deals, if I click on this button or the option, it is showing me nothing because this is a demo version, and inside this version this button is like doing malfunctioning, and the creator thing is also doing the same. But you can depend on this video. Let me show you. It is taking time. So this video, you can play this video from this page, the video description link. Inside the video description link, the page link is given, and you can click the link and you can check out this video. From this video, these 2 buttons will be clear to you. There is nothing much, like you can search about any product which is placed on JVZoo or Warrior Plus or on ClickBank. I think ClickBank, but I don't know exactly if ClickBank products can be promoted by this tool or not. I don't know exactly. And inside this creator section, you can create some GIFs, some images. Let me show you if I can show you. So this kind of stuffs, like you can edit, everything is customizable, and you can edit, you can place any images, like the Canva stuffs can be done inside it. What you can do inside the Canva app, you can do inside this app also. So after that, the thing is, let me just pause the video, and the next thing is the messages. Inside the messages, you have to put your WhatsApp account or you have to integrate your WhatsApp account, and after that you can compose the message. You can schedule any message, like the broadcasting message, like the auto responding stuffs you can do for your email marketing. You can do the same thing for this WhatsApp marketing. Okay, and your insights, your history, RSS feed, everything is customizable and given here. Tutorial videos are given here, and this is your number list. This will be your numbers list. You have to place the number section inside your funnel page, inside your front-end funnel page, or front-end section of your funnel page, to capture the numbers. Then you can make your numbers list like the email lists. Okay, so you can create your numbers list also, and you can push by just clicking one button. You can push so many messages, like this kind of messages you can place to your customer's inbox, WhatsApp inbox, and so this kind of messages, and they are giving you more facilities, like when the customer is placing this kind of word, sure, or yes, or I want to buy it, you can create your auto messages, like if someone reply inside the reply section, they just placing yes, I want to buy it, then you can put the link. By default the link will be gone to them to show the product or something like that. You can place pre-compose the messages inside it also, and This is a social sharing feature, and inside social sharing there are so many social media handles, like more than 100 social media handles. I think 150 or maybe 90 social media handles, I don't know exactly, but it is not opening also inside this demo version. But you can rely on this video to check out the social media handles also. Basically my purpose is to clear you the video and to show you my bonuses. And this is the storage section. So this was the description about this product, and this is the product price, 17 bucks only. And this is the product launching date, April 15th of April, 11 a.m. EST, the New York time. You can purchase the product Thursday. And additionally you will be secured with 30 days no satisfaction money back guarantee. And these are the sales funnels and every upsells and every front end also given here. If you purchase the front end only, you will be given some bonus, like these bonuses will be given to you with the front end, these 5 bonuses. And also there are some bonuses from vendor. By default those bonuses are coming from anywhere you can purchase the product, via any link you can purchase the product. And if you purchase any upsell from my website, from just going through this link, you purchase any upsell, you will be given more stuff like 200 plus software, and also image pack and music pack, music tracks, and PLR products also. So this was the upsell bonus, and also this was my front end bonus. And I think I have cleared you the product. You can access the bonus after purchasing the product via clicking this button, access affiliate bonus, this blue button, deep blue button. Okay, so this was the product overview and also the bonuses overview. I think I have convinced you. So I am signing out for the video now. I am wrapping up the video, so you can click on this button and you can get the product. So I am wrapping up the video. Bye bye.